You've been walking past cars like this at the junkyard for quite some time now. And I'm about to tell you why. You are doing the wrong thing. Cars like this that may have nothing actually still have some value on it. And we're gonna talk about how you can make your money and why you should come back to the junkyard and take those parts off of that car that you thought that nobody cared about. Because when you come back, it's gonna look like this and nothing's gonna be left on it. Like this one right here. It's crippling in my hands, but it's okay. This one right here, you're looking to spend $36, $38 in just one. Now, you want both of them from the front, you're looking to spend maybe $74. That's tax and everything, and that's with a warranty. Now, last time I checked, Amazon don't give you warranty, and the dealership is like $500. But these exact calipers, just for the front two, you're looking to spend $120. That's insane. You come get this over here, and you're making double if you sell it outside. Crazy. This one right here, easy $100 in your pocket. This is a starter. You spend $47 here, and you're making an easy $100 back in your pocket if you sell it on eBay or anywhere at that matter. It's crazy. One of the main components of your car, and you're over here spending hundreds of dollars on this. Come to the junkyard and you don't even spend $50. Then you get to spend the rest of that money on McDonald's or wherever else you want to go. What if you want to make triple what you're spending outside? Well, come to the junkyard and get yourself your strut and spring for 40 bucks a pop. You're spending 80 bucks for both of them. Not even $100. And you go outside and you're spending like what, 200, 250? You're crazy, out of your mind. Come get it. I mean, the car's a little messed up, but it's a 2020, come get it. You're not gonna find it anywhere else. The rim. You're only gonna spend $50 in here on just the rim. Now, I know you think that's outrageous, but you're wrong, very wrong. That's $50 on one rim, right? $100 for the whole thing with the tire. Now, that's $400 all four if you do the math. That's crazy. But here's the catch. The money you make out of that. Now, you're spending $400, but outside, we all know wheels go for $1,000 plus. Sometimes a little bit lower, depending on what car it came off of. These are aluminum wheels, and they're original factory, OEM, however you want to call them. They're gonna cost you a little bit more. We all know that. Now, $800 on just a set of rims with no tires, you're crazy. You're out of your mind. You're losing $400. What are you doing? Come here. You could have got an engine with that. What are you doing? $840 profit right here. Now, you may be asking, how is that even possible? You're in a junkyard. This right here is a 2021 Toyota RAV4. Now, there's not much left to it, as we can tell, but there is still some good parts to it, like the seat, the $900 seat that you would spend $900 at the dealer or on eBay. No matter where you go, this seat is crazy expensive, and that is outrageous. You come over here, though, and you're only spending $60 on this seat right here that I'm sitting on, this seat. That is insane. That's almost $1,000 difference, almost. That is crazy. You're insane if you go anywhere else. Come here. Now, this guy right here, selling their seat from their 21 RAV4 for $900 on eBay. Now, that is insane. Now, that's just an idea as to what you guys could do after spending $60 only on the seat here. We got both of them. If we do the math, 900, what are you looking at? $1,800, and we still got the back ones too. Come get them. You guys can make easy money just like that, and all you gotta do is unbolt 4 bolts. Come get it. This one right here, climate control. Now, I know this looks like nothing. It looks like a piece of plastic with some dials on it and some buttons. But it's $35, maybe $40, depending on what car it came out of in here. And, well, outside, you're not going to be spending the same amount. In fact, you're going to spend $200, almost $300. Like this guy, $220 for this exact piece from this exact car. It's pretty crazy to think about. Now, this hunk of metal right here, at one point was a running vehicle. I know it doesn't look like it anymore, as I'm currently standing in the engine bay, like as if I'm the engine. Now, this was a 21 RAV4. Now, we all know what goes here. Engine, transmission. Engines are crazy expensive, but transmissions in here, you're gonna spend $250, but for this one, $450, because we all know you're not gonna find a 21 in any other junkyard. $450 in here, that's not a bad price, really. Then you go outside and you're like $2,000, almost $3,000, and your pocket doesn't go far that down. No, you can't do that. Don't do it. Come here. Come get it. Well, you can't get this one anymore, but we have a bunch of other ones you can get. Not this one, though. This way, we know now that the cars in here all have value. And that is why you should be spending your money here and not at any other store in here. Because this is where the money's at. You see stuff like that, and you're just like, oh, it's a piece of trash. It's in here for a reason. No, you're in here for a reason. Grab all these parts, sell them, and make your money, and then come back and fix your vehicle. Or do whatever you want. Make money, sell stuff, however you please. But I want you guys to just hit that like button for me, and then give that subscribe button a little, you know what I'm saying, just a little one. It will be appreciated. And then leave in the comments everything that you guys have sold or purchased for a tremendous amount or sold for a tremendous amount. We want to know it all. We'll see you guys next time on Central Florida Pick and Pay.